I was told, we were in a conversation with some people and they were telling me, look, Dennis and his brothers are buying land elsewhere, in Buganda, in Acholi, in Toro, in Bunyoro, but they don't allow their land to be bought by other people from other places. Why are you being this?
No, that's why I said it is the intention that matters. Has Dennis come to Buganda and bought 5,000 acres of land? No. Have they come with cattle, with guns? No. Did they destroy your crops and you're being backed up, defended? No. I'm an innocent man in Kampala. Came to Parliament, got a small piece, I'm residing. And I go back home and come back. I'm a Ugandan, originally. But now, where are some of the Balalos coming from? Tanzania, Rwanda, Banyarwandas,
Congo.
Name them.